Hello. Oh my god, I look so weird. I don't think you guys have actually seen me without my eyebrows before. I mean, I have eyebrows, but it's like they're not there. I feel like I have no eyebrows. Don't you think so, Biscuit? Anyways, the reason why I look like this is because I need to actually do my skincare, sort myself out, you know. Today, we're going to be just doing prep before we go on holiday. You know where we're going? We're going to Morocco. Yeah. We're going there.
Wrap it up.
I'm gonna be sorting myself out. I want to try something that I saw on TikTok as well. It's like this hair blowout thing. I need to wash my face. I need to wash my lashes. I've dyed my hair, so it's calm. Oh god, I forgot. I need to show you guys. Why does that bit look so dark? Oh my god, is that bit still brown? Where am I trying? Is it the lighting or is it just me? Oh, I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. Yeah, so I still get comments on my hair. So thanks guys. I appreciate it. I use the same dye every single time. The last time I dyed my hair was like start of October, which is before my Thailand trip. So if you want to go watch that, it'll be somewhere up here. So that's my plan. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you don't, then why are you here? Why? Anyways, peace. Wash my lashes. They're dry now, so cool. I've like wet my hair a bit. I'm gonna try that blowout thing. I'm now gonna dye my brows. So let's go. I hope they're the same.
Later that same evening.
Huh? What? Sorry, Betty Boop? Or Betty Poop? Might just go in plaits. Oh, my head aches. We are ready, woo! We had a 20-minute nap. That's about it. So we're gonna try and sleep on the plane. Oh no. Scotches. Oh, party. On the bus. Cases are on. Abu's in the seat. Abu had to lift my case. Last thing I did at the gym was upper body, but it really failed me. We shall report back on duty when we get to London Stansted Airport.
And the car part is my hair.
Oh, yeah, as you can see, everyone's waiting. We made it after seeing someone be sick on the bus. How was your first experience stepping into an airport?
There's people on the floor.
Oh my god, more hilarious scenes. Abu's bag was, what was it?
19.
Mine was 26. I think I thought I was like on like a long haul flight or something, because that's crazy. The lovely guy at the counter let me off 21. This is the duty free. What are your thoughts?
It's basically just Selfridges, isn't it? Selfridges.
Yep. Got snacks. You can have a look at the perfumes as well if you want.
Why are all these people spewing in?
Kingston Airport. Everything's like sharp. Pret is absolutely packed, so we're eating air tonight. Me and Boo Boo are tired. It is, what time is it? 5:11, and our gate information is meant to come on at like 5:30. We're on the floor because it's so packed. So we shall update you on the plane. How excited are you from 1 to 10?
-10.
Wow. Excuse me.
How'd you do it?
So ready to sleep. How do you feel? Light work, no reaction. We have made it. I was literally recording on my phone the whole time. Now we're waiting on the side of the road. We're at the place. We believe, we hope. Pretty sure we are. Now we're waiting for Mel to meet us. It's been a hot journey. Well, isn't this a surprise? Listen. And I don't want to hear it, but listen. It's been a good week. Pick it up from where we left off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like your vlog, bitch.
We're leaving tomorrow. So, I will tell you why we're leaving tomorrow and why you didn't see any of it. Honestly, right, this holiday, I was meant to vlog the whole thing, but it just turned out to be like a little treat. Hence why I didn't vlog. I just wanted to like live in the moment kind of thing. Today, we're actually going to a waterfall. We need a whole day for that, so at least you get a whole day's worth of footage. I have no excuse. I have a strap. So,
We put the croissants in the fridge. How are they gonna be hard?
great start to the morning. We have had oat milk, right? And it has tasted like a buffalo's anus. We got this instead. Vanilla soya. That is amazing.
Oh.
Okay. I'll be right back.
One eternity later.
Hello. We've just arrived.
Yes, we have.
We've got our bikini tops on. But yeah, it's nice and hot. We've actually never been on a tour, so this is gonna be fun. New experience. Abu's happy because she got glasses. She was like screaming, oh, I wish I got my glasses, and then she opened her bag and they were there. So we're here, guys. That's the waterfall. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Feel free if you understand.
What's that one?
Oh, it is one. We got John Lennon over here. And we got very famous, very well known. Very famous, very well known Mal on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below. So we've just had like a little tour of like the oil they make here, argan oil, stuff like that, and like essential oils. Yeah, the cosmetics, which is really interesting. Now we're gonna go to the waterfall. Someone just came and stomped and left.
It was me.
It was you.
And like that.
We meet again. We've sat down to eat. We have our dessert now. We have melon. We just had kebabs and bread. Can you see the water? So we did our little tour. Went into the waterfall, which is really cold, but like once you get in, you like kind of numbs you. Melon.
That's so fake.
Pain, you're like, ugh. I'm like.
Did you make it? Seems like your appetite.
Huh?
You did that. See, water, people. I'm just
Oh god, we're literally walking up to the coach now. We stopped to view the monkeys. Oh my god, he's